Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, time for magic. Today I'm going to show you two methods to make the hand go through the other. The first method is done in slow motion. The second method is instant. And as a bonus, I'm going to have a bonus trick at the end. So watch the whole video and check it out. Alright, for method one, check it out. Stick out your hand. From the back, you go 1, 2, and just like that, it goes right through. Pretty cool, right? And I'll show you how to do it right now. Alright, this is how you do method 1. All you do is stick out your hand, go once, twice. What you're doing is you're conditioning to go like this. But on the third try, you're going to go barely like this, and you're going to close your hand, and it looks like it penetrates right through. Pretty cool, right? Alright, for method 2, check it out. All you do is stick out your hand, clamp it from the back, and just instantly penetrates right through. Pretty cool, right? And I'll tell you the secret right now. Alright, before I show you the secret, make sure you give it a thumbs up if you like the trick so far. If you don't, give it a thumbs down. Anyways, check out the secret. And now for the secret. Alright, this is how you do it. All you do is stick out your hand, and just like so, you smack it, and it looks like instantly it penetrates. All you're doing is just clamping the back, and at the same time, from the back, you're gonna smack it, and that gives it a sound effect. And at the same time, you're gonna open these fingers while you close the other ones. At regular speed, it looks like this. And it looks like it penetrates right through. Pretty cool, right? Anyways, check out the bonus trick. Alright, here's the bonus trick. Check it out. All you do is stick out your finger like so. Place it in your ear like so. And all you have to do is push it right through. Pull it right out. It's a dumb trick, but kids love it. Anyways, I'll tell you how to do it right now. Alright, this is how you do it. Check it out. All you do is stick out your finger, doesn't matter which one. Place it right on your ear, and as you slightly turn, you're gonna bend it, and you're gonna go like so. Make it look like it goes right through, but at the same time with your tongue, you're gonna push on your cheek. Pull it right out.